Hi everyone, my name is Zoran Horvat. Welcome to my course Making Your Java Code More Object-Oriented. I am a principal consultant at Coding Helmet, and part of my work involves reviewing other people's code. What I find funny is that most of the code I read is really not object-oriented. It is rather procedural, with classes and modules only being the formal containers of code. Well, in this course we are going to show what it takes to write true object-oriented code. You will see how to avoid branching, especially around booleans and nulls. You will learn how to never use a null reference, and how to encapsulate object state and expose behavior. By the end of this course you will be able to recognize your own errors of the past and develop a better coding style. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with such concepts as polymorphism, inheritance, and similar. You should feel at home with Java, like having no second thoughts about control structures or functional interfaces, for example. From here you should be able to dive into advanced courses on object-oriented programming and design. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn object-oriented programming with the Making Your Java Code More Object-Oriented course at Pluralsight.